Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video comparing the Sirena and Rainbow water filtration vacuum cleaners. Watch until the end to find out which one we think is better. So the main difference between these two models is the motor power. The Sirena has a motor power of 1200 watts, while the Rainbow has a higher motor power of 1440 watts. This means that the Rainbow is better equipped to handle tough cleaning tasks with ease. Size of the water reservoir. Another important factor to consider is the size of the water reservoir. The Sirena has a larger water tank capacity of 3.5 liters than the Rainbow's 2.5-liter capacity. This means that the Sirena can capture more dust and allergens, making it more efficient. Weight. Regarding weight, the Rainbow is lighter, weighing only 21 pounds, while the Sirena weighs 40.2 pounds. That makes the Rainbow more portable and easier to maneuver when cleaning large spaces. Noise level. Noise level is also an important consideration when purchasing a vacuum cleaner. Although both models have similar noise levels, the Sirena is slightly noisier at 70 decibels than the Rainbow's 68 decibels. However, the Rainbow is still quieter overall. Comparison table. From the table, the Rainbow has a higher suction power of 70 CFM, while the Sirena has a slightly lower suction power of 63.556 CFM. The Rainbow is slightly bigger with dimensions of 15.5 by 11.8 by 15.8 inches, while the Sirena measures 20 by 12 by 12 inches. The Rainbow also has a longer cord length at 25 feet, compared to the Sirena's 21 feet. Similarities. The Sirena and Rainbow water filtration vacuum cleaners use HEPA filtration technology to clean. They both utilize water basins instead of traditional dust bags to capture dirt, dust, and allergens. Verdict. So, which is better? While the Sirena may have some advantages, such as a larger water tank capacity and 2 hoses, the Rainbow model overall offers more power, portability, and a wider range of attachments and accessories. Choosing between the two will ultimately depend on your specific cleaning needs and preferences. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons that you'd like to see next from us. Thanks for watching.